Welcome to the Entrepreneur Addict's 5-Minute Fix podcast, where we explore the latest entrepreneurship and startup culture. I'm your host, Igor Weinstein, and today we're diving into the world of cannabis finance as LeafLink makes a strategic acquisition that could change the landscape for cannabis operators. LeafLink, a New York-based B2B marketplace that connects cannabis retailers with brands and distributors, is now expanding its platform by adding a finance arm. For years, the cannabis industry has faced a unique and challenging issue: lack of access to traditional banking services. LeafLink's acquisition of Dama Financial's banking division is a direct response to this problem, which many cannabis sellers encounter daily. This acquisition is a major step towards solving one of the biggest hurdles in the cannabis industry: the struggle to secure compliant and dependable financial services. Now, why does this matter for entrepreneurs in the cannabis industry? The ongoing federal prohibition of cannabis has long limited access to traditional banking services. That leaves many businesses operating under difficult conditions, often dealing with high fees, cumbersome processes, or even the sudden withdrawal of essential services. Entrepreneurs in this space have faced enormous challenges simply trying to access capital, manage cash flow, or even pay employees. With this new acquisition, LeafLink is positioning itself to change that. LeafLink's move is not just a smart business decision. It's an entrepreneurial play to address a glaring gap in the cannabis ecosystem. They already serve 50% of the U.S. wholesale cannabis industry, covering 30 markets and processing more than $4.5 billion in transactions annually. By adding banking services to their already robust suite of tools, which includes order management, analytics, and advertising, they're setting themselves up to be an indispensable platform for cannabis operators. Dama Financial, with over $3 billion in processed transactions, is one of the largest cannabis-focused banking solutions. The company services more than half of the cannabis legal states in the U.S., and now, under LeafLink's umbrella, they aim to provide cannabis operators with a more seamless and secure financial experience. For entrepreneurs, this means better access to credit, more reliable payment processing, and overall more predictable financial operations. The timing couldn't be more crucial, especially as the cannabis industry is on the verge of a significant regulatory shift. LeafLink's strategic positioning comes as rescheduling cannabis from a Schedule I to Schedule III substance is on the horizon. This rescheduling is expected to provide cannabis businesses with greater legal, financial, and operational leeway, drastically changing the financial landscape for operators. Entrepreneurs in the space should be paying attention, because this could mean better tax structures, reduced overhead costs, and increased access to loans and other financial tools. Rescheduling could have an especially profound impact on taxation. Currently, cannabis businesses are subject to tax code 280E, which prevents them from deducting regular business expenses, leading to tax rates that can be as much as 50% or more. With the shift to Schedule 3, businesses will likely be able to deduct these operational costs, drastically improving their bottom line. LeafLink, with its newly acquired finance arm, could become a pivotal player in helping businesses navigate this new landscape. LeafLink's CEO, Artie Minson, highlighted the expertise that Dama Financial brings to the table, noting that very few companies have the kind of in-depth knowledge of the cannabis banking space that Dama does. For entrepreneurs in this industry, partnering with a platform that understands the unique financial challenges of cannabis is a game changer. By integrating banking services into their marketplace, LeafLink is offering a one-stop shop for cannabis operators to manage their entire business, from inventory to payments to financing. Let's not forget the core value of what LeafLink offers beyond finance. Their marketplace enables sellers to manage real-time inventory, track orders, and analyze sales data, while buyers can manage reorders and request samples with ease. These features provide cannabis entrepreneurs with valuable tools to streamline operations, allowing them to focus more on growth and innovation rather than administrative tasks. Entrepreneurs in the cannabis industry face a unique set of challenges, from regulatory hurdles to operational inefficiencies. LeafLink's acquisition of Dama Financial's banking division could serve as a catalyst for change, helping to solve one of the most persistent issues in the industry: access to financial services. With this new addition to their platform, LeafLink is poised to become an even more essential partner for cannabis businesses across the U.S., providing both the financial tools and the operational support they need to thrive. For those keeping an eye on the larger industry trends, LeafLink's move is happening at a pivotal moment. The anticipated rescheduling of cannabis is expected to unlock new opportunities for operators, allowing them to access the same financial benefits as businesses in other industries. This shift will likely open the floodgates for more investment and growth in the cannabis sector. Entrepreneurs should be preparing now, and LeafLink is positioning itself to be at the center of that preparation by offering integrated financial services that cater to the unique needs of cannabis operators. As the cannabis market continues to evolve, entrepreneurs will need to adapt quickly to new opportunities and challenges. LeafLink's expansion into finance is a prime example of how companies can leverage their existing strengths to address new pain points in their industry. Entrepreneurs in any field can learn from this approach. By identifying gaps in the market and finding ways to fill them, you can create new value for your customers and drive your business forward. Thanks for tuning in to today's quick dive into the world of startups. If you enjoyed this episode, please don't forget to leave a 5-star review. And hey, if you're looking to connect with other entrepreneurs, join my free community using the link in the show notes below. Stay inspired, keep hustling, and I'll catch you in the next episode.